Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to break and join curves with the Node tool in Affinity Designer. This is an essential skill for anyone working with vector graphics as it gives you precise control over your shapes and paths. Let's dive right in. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new file to work with. Now click on the curve you want to break. This selection is important because it tells Affinity Designer which object you'll be modifying. Next, look over to the left sidebar and click on the Node tool. This tool is your gateway to editing individual points on any curve or shape. After selecting the Node tool, place it on the curve where you want to break it. For instance, you might click on the center of the curve if that's where you want the break to occur. Now shift your attention to the top toolbar and click on Break Curve. Once you click this, you'll notice that you can drag the circle where you place the Node tool. This action actually splits the curve at that specific point, giving you two separate segments that you can now manipulate independently. If you want to join curves instead, head back to the left sidebar and click on the Pen tool. Start dragging it on your canvas to create or select the curves you want to work with. The Pen tool allows you to interact with multiple paths and prepare them for joining. Once you've set up your curves, return to the left sidebar and click on the Node tool again. Now comes an important step. Place the Node tool on every corner you want to join curves at, and make sure you're holding the Shift key on your keyboard while doing this. Holding Shift allows you to select multiple nodes at once, which is crucial for joining them together. With all the relevant nodes selected, look up to the top toolbar and click on Join Curves. This command merges the selected points, creating a continuous path between them. However, you might notice that the join isn't quite perfect yet. If the joined curve doesn't look exactly how you want it, you can drag the square handles to adjust and perfect the connection. This fine-tuning step ensures your curves flow smoothly and look professional. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to break and join curves using the Node tool in Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.